Welcome to watch the video about the file interface of the 4.8 series of Charmhigh. The file home page will be introduced to you as below. Click the File button to enter the file management interface. After you entering the file page, you will be introduced to the meanings of each key. Used for import of working files. Used for file conversion. Used to view working files in the machine. Used to export working files. Next I'll introduce you to file conversion. Click File Conversion on the File Management interface. Used to open a working file. Used to delete working files. Click the Open button to enter the CSV file editing interface. The following will introduce you to the meaning of each part of the key. Indicates the mounting sequence of components. Indicates the bit number of a component. Indicates the size of the component. Represents the x-axis center coordinate of the component. Represents the y-axis center coordinate of the component. Indicates the front and back sides of the PCB. Indicates the mounting angle of the component. Represents the specification of the component. Click to edit the list of selected component. Click to delete the list of selected component. Click to enter the file conversion setting interface. Click to convert the file. Click the Edit button to enter the CSV file device editing interface. Click to switch to the next component. Click to modify the head. Click to edit component's angle. Click to edit component's mounting speed. Click to edit component's height. Click to modify the material stack number. This component will not be mounted after this item is enabled. After this item is enabled, dumping due to insufficient vacuum is prohibited. Visual detection is turned off when this item is enabled. Click the Conversion Setting button to enter the Conversion Setting interface. Front panel selects top layer components T processing. The reverse panel selects the underlying components B for processing. If the underlying file coordinates are negative, click Mirror. Click OK to finish editing after completing conversion settings. The material stack list will be introduced to you below. Click to enter the selected material stack editing interface. Click to delete the selected stack list. Click to edit and modify the material stack bit number. Click Angle Reversal to edit the interface. Click to enter the IC Angle Compensation editing interface. Click to save the modified file parameters. Click the Edit button to enter the CSV file stack editing interface. Represents the component's bit number. Represents component size. Indicates that the component's angle is negative clockwise and positive counterclockwise. Represents component specifications. Click the Angle Reversal button to enter the Angle Reversal editing interface. Click OK to reverse the selected component 180 degrees. Click the IC Angle Compensation button to enter the IC Angle Compensation editing interface. Click OK to select IC Angle Compensation. Here is a list of components for you. Click to enter the selected components editing interface. Click to delete the selected entire row. Click to modify the component's bit number. Click to use the head 1. Click to use the head 2. Click to save the modified parameters. The following will introduce you to the jointed board list. The array page is displayed. Click to enter the editing interface of array jointed board. Click to delete the selected jointed board data. Click to add one line of jointed board. Click to switch jointed board mode to coordinate mode. Click to save the jointed board data. Click the Edit button to enter the editing interface of array jointed board. Indicates the serial number of the jointed board. Mark the x-axis spacing of two adjacent PCB boards. Mark the y-axis spacing of two adjacent PCB boards. Indicates the number of PCBs in the x-axis direction. Indicates the number of PCBs in the y-axis direction. Click Save after editing parameters. Click the Coordinate Mode button to enter the jointed board editing interface of Coordinate Mode panel. Indicates the serial number of the jointed board. Denotes the x-axis spacing of two adjacent PCB boards. denotes the y-axis spacing of two adjacent PCB boards. Click the Convert button when the file is edited. Enter the file name and click OK to complete the file conversion. The following will introduce you to file viewing. Click View File on the File Management interface to enter the View interface. File View interface can make a copy of the file. You can also rename files. You can also delete selected files. The following describes the interface for importing files. Click the File Import button to enter the File Import editing page. The following describes the meanings of each key. Click to switch file formats. Click to import the selected file. Click to import all working files. Select the desired CSV file and click the Import button. After the importing is completed, you can view the imported files in File Conversion. File Export will be introduced to you below. On the File Management screen, tap Export to enter the File Export screen. The following describes the meanings of each key. CSV file used to switch between DPV and CSV file directories. Export, you can export the selected file. Export all, you can export all files. The file interface of the 4.8 series of Charmhigh is introduced. Thank you for your watching.